Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about the plugin doesn't work in your PHP version when we try to install Google Tag Manager WP plugin on our WordPress website. So here is we can see the plugin is not updated in the PHP version, and that's why we are not able to install it. But we can do from the other way. If we open this new plugin, just we are going to on this plugin, and then we can download it from there. Like if I download it, I just try to download on here. I downloaded already. Just try to upload it. Just upload it, then click to install button. So I think it will be installed perfectly. You see this is showing the plugin installed failed, so that's mean the package PHP version is still making the same way to GTM4 WP plugin. So what's the solution for this problem? So we need to upgrade our PHP version. It's depend up to your hosting panel. There are so many plugin are not stable with WordPress because of the PHP version and the latest update version of WordPress. So this is the WordPress latest version 6.7.21 here we can see. But now how you can do that if your site is on the cPanel side? So how you can do that? Just go to your cPanel. That's here is you can search PHP. Then you will see here is the PHP multi PHP manager. If I go on here, then you will see this latest PHP version. Then if you scroll this, here is so many domain on here. That's why I'm not able to scroll it on here. If this is the if you think this is your domain, just select it. Then you can change it your the PHP version to here, like 8.2. The latest one is 8.2. 8.1 is also deprecated on here. Then you will see one here the PHP version 5.6 to 8.0 are deprecated. So that's mean we need to use 8.1, 8.2, and 8.2 is the update. 8.1 and 8.2, this is the secured. That's why you can select on here, or you can select on the all domain on here. Just make sure which domain you need to upgrade your PHP version. You need to select this domain, and then you need to select your 8.2. Then make sure to apply it on here. Once you apply it, then this PHP version will be upgraded on here. Right now we will try to downgrade on here. Like here is showing 8.1, so we can select the 7.3. Then you will see once we click the apply button, then you will see one here. Here is coming from 7.3. So this is the down one, so we need to upgrade this at the same way. If you select on here 8.2, that's the not important it on here. We need to make sure click to apply button. This is the one update on the how you can upgrade your PHP version on your cPanel access. Now let's talk about how to update on the hPanel on your hostinger. Just go to your website to domain to website. Let me go on the website. Once you go on the website, and then go to the website dashboard. Once you go on the dashboard, then you will see to the PHP version on there, the on the website dashboard on the right side on here. So then we can upgrade your PHP version very easily. And here is, if I try to show you, this is the one of the testy WP I'm using right now. If I create a new site, then you will see which version WordPress version is secured and unsecured and stable. You see this is showing right now is 6.7.1 is WordPress version is stable, secure and outdated, and the other one is all are insecure. You see all are insecure and not stable is outdated. That's why we need to always upgrade when the WordPress making update version. So we should update this the newer version, otherwise we will lose some data and our website will be um, getting some malware. And also on here, if you go on the PHP version on here, here is you can see 8.0 stable and secure, and most secure is 8.3 and 8.4. Totally secure we can see one here. Now go to your website dashboard, and here is domain showing right now not connected on here. And if I go you one here on the WordPress overview, then we will see, and the PHP version on here is showing 8.2, 8.1. So how we can do that on WordPress? If you go on here on the advanced setting, or you can do this normally you can search the PHP info and PHP version of the PHP configuration. Then you will very easily you can upgrade it on here. Let me go on the PHP configuration, then you will see the PHP version. Just you can upgrade to PHP 8.4 and click to update it on here. Just simple. This is very easy. Just you can upgrade this PHP version from here. This is very simple. So using these things, you can upgrade your PHP version on your WordPress site, on using cPanel or Hostinger or any other platform. This is the same way always on here. Just go if you not find to this PHP version, you can search anywhere in your hosting. Just search PHP, then you can type then you will get this PHP info and PHP configuration. Then you can upgrade it using the PHP extension is totally different one. So using this PHP search, then you can upgrade your PHP version. So this is the way how you can upgrade your PHP version on your WordPress site and as well as the on your cPanel hosting. So thank you so much. If you found this video, feel free to like this video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos, and we promise you will never be disappointed. See you on my next video.